Hi guys, I'm Nabil Architect and I'm back with another amazing video. So in this video I will show you how to bold lines in Google Sheet in the software in Google Sheet. How to bold lines is this we learned how to bold line in Google Sheet. We go to screen, then we have in screen in Google Sheet. Okay, so first of all I select these all borders. Okay, then I will go to this borders options. Okay, and this all borders, I select this all borders. And if you bold outline this borders, you go to border style. Okay, I here I'm here in border style and use this bold line. Okay, and select this outer border. As you can see, this outer border is line is bold. If you can bold inner side border bold, convert to bold, you also select this and go to border and select this inner borders. Okay, so in this video we learned basic tutorial about Google Sheet, uh, how to bold mm, lines in Google Sheet. Okay, so keep supporting, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, like, comment and share my video.